You've been in a car accident and the other car flees the scene and you can't even get any identifying information on them. People ask me, am I able to bring a lawsuit against them? Or what can I do if I've been injured by somebody who leaves the scene of the accident? I'm Stephen Goldstein. I'm a personal injury lawyer in New Jersey and New York. And I'm here to tell you that all's good in that situation. What that situation is called is an uninsured motorist's situation. What that means is you've been involved in an accident with somebody who, quote unquote, doesn't have insurance, and they're considered uninsured because you don't know who they are. In essence, it's almost the same as if you were involved with somebody who you were able to identify, but they had no insurance. So what are some of the steps you should take if you find yourself involved in that situation? First thing you should do is, to the best of your ability, stop your car and try and get photographs, even if, as the car's fleeing, you really can't get a beat on the license plate, but just to show that another car was involved. You then might want to take video or pictures right at the scene, and literally on your video say, hey, I'm stopped here. I was just hit by a white car that fled the scene, and take pictures to show immediate damages. You should then call the police immediately. Why? Well, your insurance company is going to want some sort of proof that you were involved in an accident. And the best thing to do is to get it from the police. When the police arrive, you tell them exactly what happened. I was driving straight, somebody hit me in the back, caused damage to my car, and they fled the scene. The other reason for getting the police involved is they may start their own criminal investigation into your matter, because that would be a charge against the driver of leaving the scene of an accident. And you never know what might be around. There may be cameras on buildings, there may be other video surveillance where the police will have the means to get it, and you may not. Afterwards, the next thing is you need to contact your insurance company immediately. Why? You want the insurance company to be put on notice as soon as possible that you were involved in this sort of a situation, so the insurance company themselves can also do their own investigation. In New York and New Jersey, you will have coverage that's called uninsured motorists protection. And what that does is it protects you in this exact situation, meaning that you've been injured by somebody with no insurance. You will now be able to go to your own car insurance company, and they will be responsible for all of your pain and suffering damages that may occur to you. The laws do vary a little differently as far as the notice you need to give to the insurance companies in New York and New Jersey, but you're always going to be safest by taking pictures, getting the police report, notifying your insurance company as soon as possible. If you do that, you should be okay, and you should be able to get fair compensation for any of your injuries that occur. If you find yourself that you're involved in this situation, you have any other questions, want more information, you could always call me at the number below, or you can go to my website at www.ghlawnyNJ.com.